Have you ever created a pivot table in Excel, but it still looks messy, hard to read, and impossible to print professionally? In this video, I'll show you a simple pivot table formatting trick that instantly makes your reports cleaner, more organized, and presentation ready in less than 1 minute. Let's dive in. Here I have a sales dataset, containing different product categories, products, regions, and sales amounts. To quickly summarize this data, go to the Insert tab, click Pivot Table, choose New Worksheet, and hit OK. Now let's build a clean and powerful pivot table report. Inside the pivot table fields pane, drag category into the rows area, drag product below category in the rows area, and drag sales amount into the values area. And just like that, Excel instantly creates a sales summary report. Now technically, the pivot table is working perfectly, but visually, it still looks compressed, outdated, and a little difficult to scan. Especially when working with large datasets, or presenting reports to managers or clients. So let's transform it into a more professional-looking report. Go to the Pivot Table Design tab at the top. Click Report Layout. Then choose Show in Tabular Form. Immediately, Excel separates the category and product fields into individual columns. Now notice something. The category name only appears once for each group. That can become confusing when scrolling through large reports. Here's the fix. Go back to Report Layout and select Repeat All Item Labels. And now Excel automatically repeats every category label on each row. Let's make the report even cleaner. Right-click on any category label. Choose Pivot Table Options. Then go to the Layout and Format tab. Check the option, Merge and Center Cells with Labels. Then click OK. Now your category labels appear visually grouped and centered, giving the pivot table a polished presentation style look. This layout is perfect for executive reports, client presentations, office dashboards, and printable summaries. After formatting your pivot table, go to Pivot Table Design, then Subtotals, and select Do Not Show Subtotals. This removes unnecessary subtotal rows and creates a cleaner modern report layout. And that's how you can transform a basic pivot table into a professional-looking Excel report in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning.